So this is almost my last leftover recipe because I've just thought of another one which I'll share tomorrow. But tonight we are going to have a gorgeous turkey broth, which I'm calling a ramen because look at all this stuff that's in here, filling it full of flavour. So what I've done is there is a litre of stock in there, a litre of stock. There's 1 lemongrass that I bashed. There's a star anise. There's 4 spring onions roughly chopped. There's 2 tablespoons of red miso paste, which is the lovely salty umami flavour. 2 tablespoons of tahini, which is a sesame seed paste. That is optional, but it gives a nice texture to the stock. There's 2, here I've put in brackets, dry shiitake mushrooms, another little umami punch. There's a thumb-sized piece of ginger, no need to peel, just slice it and chuck it in. And then there's some leftover gravy, just because I had it. Finally, you want to taste it and add soy sauce to your taste. You want it to be nice and salty. Let it sort of cook and meld together for about 15 minutes, then strain so that you end up with just some clear stock. And then there's nothing written there, and I will finish this film in a minute. I've taken all the bits out of the stock, out of the broth, so now it is just gorgeous broth. Here we've got some turkey breasts, thinly sliced, the very last of the dark turkey meat. This is shredded, what's it called, Nick?
Pak choy.
Pak choy, okay, and I am just going to put that in there to warm through. There we go. So that was the sort of the whites of the... Hello! That was the whites of the pak choy. The greens I will leave until the last minute. It's fine. I'm not criticising about the noise. I've got my noodles on for 2 minutes, then I'm going to drain and refresh those in cold water. Yeah. Okay, you can stop now. So I know he's panning across because these are the eggs that are going to sit on the top, but this is the important stuff. The way I've got the noodles going in. Yum. So the noodles were cooked for 2 minutes, rinsed in cold water, and now they're going to sit in here to get nice and warm. In here I've also added, you saw I added the turkey. I'm going to taste it one last time. Don't want that. I might just add a tiny more bit soy sauce, just for some saltiness. And now, I'm going to serve it. So what I do is I tend to go around and I will put some noodles in each bowl with all the stuff. Please don't film me doing this because it's not tidy. We're going to do one. Why don't I just serve one bowl and then one bowl? So I'm also going to put, I've got some greens and lots of the ramen type broth, style broth. It's not real ramen because ramen is usually pork. And some, look, there's some lots of meaty bits. There we go. Then I'm just going to put, so these eggs were just cooked for 7 minutes. You can see that they're still lovely and runny in the middle, which is what you want. And I will be serving this with a little sprinkle of spring onion, a little sprinkle of coriander. Then let's go over here, Nick, because on the table, on the table we've got some chili flakes if you want some added chili, some sesame oil, which makes everything taste better. And we've also got some crispy, crunchy shallots. And there is your bowl of ramen.
Can I put something on TV or something? Yeah.